Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be challenging myself to study for 10 hours. Let's see how it goes. So I thought of starting with maths and obviously I had to wake up early, so I started studying at 5:30. I woke up at like 5:10, something like that. So my pre-boards will be starting from 22nd of November. So I had to complete my syllabus as soon as possible. So at the end of the video I'll give you guys an update of my syllabus, so make sure to watch till the end. And like that I studied maths for around 2.5 hours. It was 8 o'clock. I closed my books and went for breakfast, and then I again came down to study, and it was around 11 o'clock, and there's a really big gap between 8 to 11 because I was getting a little bit of headache, so I took a nap. So here I was doing chemistry, carbon and its compounds. So I have completed a little bit of this chapter, so I was just showing you all my notes how I made. Now I will be continuing this chapter, and I guess I did chemistry for around, like, I did till 12:30, and then I took a break, as you will see further in the chapter. And if anyone wondering why I'm changing the channels again and again, well, I was watching two lectures here. One is comparatively shorter than the other, so from the short lecture I was able to get an overview and you know understanding the concept, and from the long lecture I was able to go in depth for the concept as well as getting good notes from that. And if there's any particular thing I didn't understand, I watched short lectures. So I took a half an hour break from 12:30 to 1, and I again sat down to study, continuing with carbon and its compounds. So basically this is the only chapter left in like my science syllabus. So it was 2:15 and I continued the chapter again. So basically after 1 o'clock I went to have my lunch, and then here I am again sat at 2:15 to continue this chapter, and I guess I studied this chapter for nearly more than 2 hours. Like, I studied till 4:20, I guess. So after 4:20 I again took a really long break. So finally the chapter is done, and it was quite satisfactory because now the only chapter which was left is done, and it was beautiful weather, and I had Maggie. So after nearly 1.5 hour break, I again sat down to study at 6 o'clock, but now I'll be doing max. So let me give you guys an update what I was talking about. So in this Dasara holidays, I had made a goal that I want to complete the syllabus of the three main subjects, max, science and SST. So in the initial days of my holidays, I was able to complete social but not the other subject, and here it was raining. Okay, so if we talk about science, as I told you previously, it was done, and in max I was left with only one chapter, which is statistics, and this is what I was trying to complete here. So before the video ends, I would like to clarify one thing, that this vlog may not be of exactly 10 hours because I don't know, there might be a difference of 20 minutes or something like that. So in order to satisfy that, after the vlog ends, I actually studied for like 1.5 hours, something like that, for my science seminar. So I think that satisfies the 10-hour study challenge. So here I was done with max, and yeah, it was around 9:40. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.